31 vegan myths debunked in 31 days. Myth number 8. Humans are frugivores, herbivores, and/or are naturally born vegan. For the frugivore bit, I'll let somebody who has a PhD in dietetics explain.
Humans are frugivores. Okay, let's go. Humans aren't skinny so they can climb fruit trees, and not all babies are chunky. A fruit-based diet is incomplete nutritionally. It's lacking in iron, calcium, zinc, iodine, B vitamins, B12, omega-3s, and protein. This can cause mood disorders, depression, altered cognition, weakened bones, muscles, and immune system, anemia, stunted growth, and cardiovascular disease. These are really serious problems. Oh, and the high sugar can rot your teeth. This is not a survivable diet. You cannot make new DNA parts for your cells if you don't eat protein. You can't make hormones if you don't have fat.
For anybody who hasn't heard of Dr. Andy, go give her a follow on the Clock app, as well as on the gram. She also debunks junk diet nutrition advice given by carnivore, keto, and anti-seed oil influencers. So it's safe to say she's as close to an unbiased source as you can get on these platforms. As for the herbivore and vegan bit, let's take a look at this study done in 2021. For starters, our genus appeared around 2 million years ago, and our species officially came into being around 200,000 years ago. As far back as 2 million years ago, we created tools for hunting. And at 1.9 million years ago, there is evidence seafood was a large portion of our diet, along with small animals having human teeth marks found on their bones. We can't absorb B12, a vital nutrient for our health, from any plants. The levels of carbon-13 found in our ancestors could only have been achieved if they ate animals which primarily ate grass. And it would have been impossible for those levels to have existed if our ancestors had eaten fruits or leaves. Our colons are more than half of the mass ratio of our primate cousins, making it impossible for us to obtain energy from plant fibers. And yes, I'm intentionally leaving in the paragraph which shows that we are not carnivores either. In addition to the drastically smaller colon, we also do not produce cellulase, which is found in herbivores and is crucial to digesting cellulose. In conclusion, there is about as much evidence to support the claim that our ancestors were herbivores as there is to claim that they were exclusive or obligate carnivores. And when paired with biology of our cousin apes, evidence suggests that there was an outside force which caused us to move from a primarily herbivorous diet to a genuinely omnivorous diet. So anytime you see this myth, share this video to help set the record straight. And happy Veganuary 2023.